Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb again in the park in Berkeley. Normally I'm from Spot. I want to do the video for the 13th day of the count of 40 days of challenge and centering between the 17th of Tammuz and the 29th of Av. So we're on the 13th day. We're in the second column now, 10 days plus 3. Coming down from Keter, so we're at the day of Binah. Binah is a place of understanding and noticing distinctions, and so I have a jacket today that has all kinds of colors between yellow and orange and red. And the system I'm using right now is closer to the Zohar. It's Netzach is pink and Yesod is orange, but yellow for Netzach according to the rainbow, and red for Yesod are also represented here in this blouse that I'm wearing. And I'm wearing light pink for the dress and orange again for the top to represent the nun. The nun is the pathway between Netzach and Yesod. So between a sense of purposefulness and the actual communication of that connectedness within that purposefulness that has the energies of the nun. The nun itself, I think you can see the feet this time, is a stepping forward, halfway forward as you come up, hands back to back, up by the forehead, and then the weight shifts slightly forward, coming back, bring the foot back, and on the right foot, coming up and then slight forward, and then coming back. A very subtle, very gentle movement. And the nikudah for Binah is the Tzere, it's 2 dots side by side. So here feet are shoulder width apart, taking your palms facing forward, and when they get to shoulder height, turning them out parallel to each other, side by side. A. So no priorities, just side by side, noticing A, differences and similarities, Binah, understanding, without emotional attachment. A. So if we come down the ladder now, internally going through each part of our body from Keter to Malchut, starting with a nun on the left side, and the patah. Here it's not the patah, it's the Tzere on the right side for Binah. Nay. And then on the right side for Chachma, both for the nun and the Tzere. Nay. And then on the left for Binah. Nay. And then the right for Hesed. Nay. And the left for Gevurah. Nay. And the right for Tiferet. And then I'll cross over. And on the left for the nikudah. Nay. And right for Netzach. Nay. Left for Hod. Nay. Right for Yesod, crossing over. Malchut crossing over. Nay. And then Malchut as the receiver, letting us receive Hashem's breath, consciously bringing the energy through our whole body from the crown to the feet. Knees slightly bent, just receiving the energy. So may we be blessed as we move into the 13th day with Binah combined with the Nun, Binah, the Tzere, sense of understanding. So maybe we have a sense of distinctions and differences and similarities without attaching emotional judgments to them, but noticing them, being aware of them, and using those to be more centered and whole and flexible in our emotional life for this period of time. Many blessings.